Hi, I'm Barb and I'm a certified integrative health coach. And today I'd like to share another healthy recipe for the holidays. And this recipe includes only 6 ingredients. And one of the key ingredients is spinach, which is one of my favorite vegetables because it includes a lot of nutrients, including iron, calcium, and magnesium. So it's good for your blood and your bones. Anyway, what you want to do is take some olive oil and just lightly coat the bottom of a cake pan. Next, what you want to do is add a layer of spinach. And you don't want to make it too thick, but you want to make it, thick enough so it covers the entire pan and the oil. Next, you want to add your artichoke hearts. And then what you want to do is add your brie, and you want to cut this or slice it into pie-shaped pieces, which I've already done here, and just spread it or drop them on top of the spinach and artichoke hearts here. Kind of spread them around so it all melts nicely together as you're baking it. All right, and then you want to add after that a layer of Parmesan. And just lightly sprinkle that over the top here. And you don't have to use, the whole container. I would just kind of do it all to taste how you like it. And then the last item is red pepper flakes. And basically you just sprinkle those over the top, and again you do it to taste. It does add a little zip to the recipe, but it's a key ingredient. And this is what it looks like, and it's ready to go in the oven, and you want to just bake it for about 20 minutes and it's ready to go.